In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Zenni Optical discount promo codes in 2024. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, open your web browser and you'll have to search for Zenni Optical discount promo code. Right here, select this website, which is called clickandfollow.com. And as you can see, we have a list of different types of promo codes right here. All you have to do is select the offer that you want. For example, if I want to get this 20% off discount, all I have to do is select your coupon code right here. And this is a discount code that I can copy and apply on my next purchase in order to get this discount right here. Also, going back to our main search right here, if I'm going to scroll down a little bit, I should be able to find this simplycodes.com website. And right here, we also have some discounts that we can use. For example, if I want to get this 15% off discount, all I have to do is select copy code right here. And this is the discount code that I can copy right here and apply on my next purchase in order to get the discount. So this is all for today, guys, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.